Anti-king chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to checkmate your opponent's king or their anti-king. During setup, place black's anti-king on d3 and white's on d6. The anti-king is a king and moves like a king, but it is in check whenever it is not attacked by an opposing piece. If you end your turn so that your opponent's anti-king is in a position where it cannot move to a threatened space, then you have checkmated your opponent's anti-king and you win. Additionally, the anti-kings may not capture opposing pieces, but may capture friendly ones. Anti-kings may not be captured, only checkmated. Anti-kings do not offer check to friendly kings, and kings cannot attack or capture anti-kings. The first player to checkmate their opponent's king or anti-king wins.